If you're in business operations, make the operations the main benefactor, not just data capture point. Then feed back the data back to the systems that you're producing, that you are getting from your data team. And don't settle for sitku. Processes can be renewed without major system changes. And if you're from the data side of the organization, think of this very seriously. Can you shift the mindset from what data we have to what decisions we need to support and for whom? You need that business process understanding in your data team. The insight to action is the real value driver. So if you've been doing data to insight, think of how to take that further. Intelligence is now on tap. So that model investment, it doesn't need to be big, but it can be leveraged quite fast. Data was needed yesterday, so no one really needs a 3-year data platform program.